Hi guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you all my back to school essentials. Now technically we aren't going back to school like proper school, but still so many of y'all requested for this video, so here it is. Also, thank you so much for supporting me in my previous community post. That means a lot to me. As you know, I always talk about Unacademy, so let me quickly tell you about their Target CLAT 3.0 batch. Now, this batch is perfect for anyone who wants to pursue law as a career or is planning to give the CLAT examination in the upcoming year 2022, which happens in the month of May. Now, this batch is starting from 11th of January and it's perfect for anyone who is looking out to give this examination. It plans to cover up the entire syllabus within a span of 6 months, which I think is very good as you get a lot of time to brush up and revise. Unacademy not only provides you with top level educators, but it also gives you monthly tests and mock tests that helps you judge yourself on the basis of the marks that you get on it. And as you know, it is something that you get at the comfort of your home. You do not need to go anywhere, and it's pretty affordable compared to the other offline coaching classes that you have. Also, if you happen to join any of the courses, you can use my code Himani10 to avail extra 10% off. And also, if you sign up now, you can get some free special classes as well using my code Himani10. Since it's online mode, you do not have to worry about your doubts as Unacademy covers you in that as well. If you have any doubt, all you need to do is send a picture of that doubt and you get the answer or the solution in the format of video, which I think is very good and convenient as you understand your doubt very nicely and the solution as well. So I'll be linking everything in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. Now moving on. The first essential is a pencil case or pencil pouch, very obvious. Now this one is a very old pencil pouch of mine. I have done a video of what's in my pencil case with this pouch, which I'll link it in the description box below, so do not forget to check it out. Although I plan to get a new one, but not anytime soon. Let me know which good pouches that you can find. So yeah, I will definitely try them out. Now the first thing I have here is a mechanical pencil or a pen pencil, lead pencil. Then I have a marker. Now marker is a must. You should always keep a black or a blue marker. Then I have a scientific calculator. This is optional, but I do like to keep it with me. Moving on, I have a few of post-it notes or sticky notes. You can use any like the pointer ones, thin ones, or like these block ones, depends on you. Then I have a whitener, so I had recently purchased it, so I thought of keeping it. Then I have this Apsara's Tidy Up pencil sharpener plus eraser sort of a thing. It's good because all the sharpener shavings also get collected, so no waste. Then you also have then I also have a stapler. This is a rounder that I absolutely love. It's my favorite color, and also it's a mechanical pencil attached to it. This one I got for like 60-70 rupees from Mr. DIY. I think I should definitely make a complete come shopping with me with Mr. DIY sort of a video. Then I have these cello power highlighters, which I absolutely love. Then I have these two Muji whatever it is called style pens. It's not real Muji, but yeah, it is a rip-off of that, which I again got from Mr. DIY for very cheap. If you haven't seen that haul, I'll link it in the description box below. Then I have my favorite gel pens. These are the Classmate B1st gel pens. Again, yes, I will link all the products in the description box below since so many of you guys keep on asking me for the links. So yeah, I'll do that in the description box below this time without fail. And yeah, this is just the basic pouch that I got from Pantaloons. Next, I have this ruler. So this is the one that I got from Venus Traders in Pune. It's just a a white matte ruler for 30 or 40 rupees. Again, a basic essential. Moving on, a watch. Now a watch is very, very important whether you are studying online or offline. Now this one is the MI Band 3 that I had. I got it like 2-3 years back. It is dead now, it doesn't work anymore, and I really need to get a new one. I have been eyeing on Daniel Wellington watches that I absolutely love. They are a little expensive, but you can never ever spend enough on watches. Watch is something where you actually have to spend more. So let's see which watch do I buy. Leave down your suggestions in the comment section. Sorry, I'm so obsessed with description box. Next is an emergency kit. Now I have made a video which is pretty, popular on my channel. I'll link it down below as well. A lot of you all wanted me to create an updated what's in my emergency kit or an emergency kit for girls, which I will be doing. So I won't be sharing things in this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I can post that video anytime about like what's in my emergency kit updated version. But again, very essential for girls especially. Then is a planner. Now whatever items I show you are always affordable, but I suggest you all to invest in a good planner. You should have a budget of around 1000 to 2000 rupees, because a good sturdy planner will not only include a lot of miscellaneous items like habit tracker, mood tracker, coloring and all that, but also stickers and all, which I think is pretty good. So always invest in a planner. This one is by Positive Store, which again I'll be reviewing in depth soon, so make sure you're subscribed to my channel. And I have a couple of videos on planners, which again I will try and link in the description box. Next essentials are notebooks. You can never have enough of notebooks. These are some really cute affordable notebooks that I found. This first one is from Market 99, retails for just 69 rupees, and I think Market 99 is now in every other metro city, so yeah, it's easy to find. Then Sundaram, again an Indian brand. This is for just 48 rupees. You get a spiral bound notebook. I really like the quality, and as you can see, I've already used it. And if you have seen my stationery haul of the Mr. DIY one, I got this from there for just rupees, I think 70 or 80, do not remember. You can check that haul. Next is a set of colorful pens. Now this is the Pentonic ones. I prefer go for gel pens rather than ballpoint pens. You can find a lot of different pack of 10 colorful pens. This one is again from Octane. Mostly all of them retail for 10 rupees each, so you can get an entire pack for 100 to 150 rupees. Or you can also use some fine liners, like these ones are by Luxor, again for 10 rupees each. So yeah, always keep a pack of colorful pens. Lastly, in this COVID situation, masks are important. You don't need any fancy one. A basic good quality protective mask is what you need. So yeah, this was my video for back to school essentials. I hope you guys liked it. Let me know your essentials in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video.